Good evening, everyone. Let's try to solve today's daily LeetCode problem. It's giving us, the question is type of triangle, and it's asking us, we have an array nums of size 3, and they are going to be the sides of a triangle. And if they're all equal length, I'm sure you guys learned this in geometry, but let's go over it. Equilateral, if it's equal length, so something like 1, 1, 1, is equilateral. And a triangle's isosceles if it's exactly two sides of equal length, so maybe something like 2, 2, 3. Images may not be in scale. It's isosceles. And it's scaling. The triangle's gonna be called scaling if all the sides are different lengths. So something like this. 3, 4, 5. Scaling. Yeah, so this isn't gonna be too difficult of a problem. We just need to check the given sides of our input nums, and we're going to just determine what kind of a triangle it is using just a bunch of conditionals and if conditions. Now, the edge case that you might have to consider is that there is a type of triangle that cannot be formed, none, if it cannot form a triangle. So there's this thing called the triangle inequality theorem, where any two random sides of a triangle must be greater than a third. Because if you have something like 2 and 3, let's say C was like 1,000, there's no way you can possibly, whatever you do to this, can it ever be 1,000? Like, the scale is just massive. So we just have to, we also have to check for this condition to make sure it's not going to be an invalid. So I'm gonna have like a helper function. So my step is first a helper function to determine valid triangle, because if it fails this check, then we can just, so if it fails the check, return none. Otherwise, if we pass this check, we know that it's gonna be case 1, 2, or 3, where you just check, hey, if it's equal, then we're gonna decide A is equal to B is equal to C. This is going to be the case where we have equilateral, and if we have something like A is not equal to B, and B is not equal to C, and A is also not equal to C, then it's going to be scaling. And if both of these were not true, then that means that at least exactly two sides of the triangle are going to be equal, which means so either A is going to be equal to B, or B is going to be equal to C, or A is equal to C. Then we have ourselves an isosceles triangle. So yeah, that's pretty much how we're going to navigate through the coding. So let's get straight to the coding then.